Today, I feel truly honored to stand before you, not just as a student, but as someone who has been profoundly changed by the power of education and hands on learning experiences. As we gather to reflect on the significance of Business 4000, I can't help but see how my own journey intertwines with the lessons learned through SPuRS, my time at Western Michigan University, and the growth gained from various professional encounters. My personal voyage, much like those of my peers, has been shaped by the diverse experience provided by SPuRS. From immersive internships to meaningful service projects, SPuRS has been crucible for me, offering opportunities to apply classroom knowledge to real world situations. These experiences have deepened my understanding of the field, and they have also equipped me with vital skills in problem solving, collaboration, and adaptability. Skills essential for navigating complexities of today's job market. My journey at Western Michigan University has been equally transformative. The rigorous academic environment and engaging extracurricular activities had laid strong foundations for my career aspirations. Moreover, the supportive community at Western Michigan University has installed in me a sense of confidence and resilience, preparing me to face the challenges ahead. But my readiness for the workforce wasn't solely cultivated in the classroom or through structured programs like SPuRS. My experience in internships, part time jobs, and industrial engagements have provided me with invaluable real world insights, industry specific knowledge, and networking opportunities, which has all contributed to my holistic preparation for the professional world. Now let's dive deeper into the significance of Business 4000 in my journey. This course serves as a bridge between theory and practice, challenging me to apply classroom concepts to real life scenarios. Each assignment pushes me to think critically and creatively, bridging the gap between academic learning and practical application. Furthermore, Business 4000 encourages me to integrate my SPuRS experiences, W education, and professional insights to enrich my understanding of the course material. By synthesizing these diverse perspectives, I do not only deepen my learning but also gain a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to succeed in today's competitive landscape. Reflecting on my journey thus far, I have learned a valuable lesson: the importance of embracing failure as a catalyst for growth. Setbacks are inevitable, but it's how we respond to them that defines our path to success. Therefore, my advice to incoming students is to be simple: embrace the failure, learn from it, and let it fuel your journeys towards success. In conclusion, Business 4000 symbolizes the culmination of my collective experiences, from SPuRS to Western Michigan University to the professional world. As I embark on my career path, I carry with me the lessons I learned, the skills acquired, and the connections made, knowing that I'm well prepared for a meaningful impact in the business world. Thank you for all for being part of this journey with me. Thank you.